Hello, fellow developers. Hope you are practicing Python and you are enjoying my simplified Python series. So in today's session, we're gonna step up our programming game and learn about if conditionals. So far, the programs or the mini projects what we have done, what it is doing is it is executing the line program line by line. So this is something called as um, nodes.md. So let me write it down. A sequential flow is so the types of controls. Okay. So the first type of you saw is a um, sequential flow. Okay. So in this sequential, what happened? Um, a computer, okay, or here an interpreter um, executes program written in Python. That's our series, line by line. Okay. So that's why it is called sequential flow or sequentially or sequentially. Okay. So now the other control is um, selective control flow. Okay. So what happens? A computer's our interpreter decides um, which line to execute. Um, okay. So how it is going to? So the example is it will say if so in the previous session we learned about the types of expression, and if you recall, the conditional expression is meant to create um, the the conditions or the what you call this com- comparative expressions. Okay. So you use if condition, okay, or conditional expression, okay, then put a colon, okay, and then you write some program, okay, whatever, line 1, line 2. So here interpreter what is going to do, it is going to evaluate this conditional expression, so it should be evaluated to true, okay, then these lines will be executed. Otherwise, uh, what happened is the else block is chosen. Note else is having else colon, um, line 3 and line 4. This is how the selective control flow works. Okay, so let's quickly see that in action. So let's call as um, voting.py. Okay, so here in this example, what we're going to do is we're going to ask user to input their age, and if the age is above 18, then only one can vote. Okay, very simple. Okay, prompt user to input their age. Okay, so let's combine age equal to int. So this is nested function example. Then we say input, okay, enter your age, and then that age written by the input is a string converted by the int function um, to into an integer. So and it will be stored in age variable. So here we check if, see, IntelliSense is helping you. If age is greater than 18, okay, then print you can vote. Else, sorry, else colon print. Um, let's use the for f string. You still have to wait. Let's write the expression. What are the 18 minus age years to vote? Okay. Very easy peasy. Okay, let's execute this. Run. Is asking age. So let me give one positive use case 20. Okay, then it is saying yes, you can vote. Okay, now rerun again. Then it let me say 15. So now it's saying you still have to wait 3 years to vote. Okay. Um, so hope you like it. Um, let's give another try. So let me pull my old this one. The program we did together and a mini project for the student marks. So using if what we can do is you can also combine more than condition expression using the logical and. Okay, so here we are going to determine if the math student score more than 35 marks in each subject, then he or she will be passed, or otherwise they'll be failed. Okay, so what we can do is if math is more than 34, so that's 35, and remember our logical operators and or not, and then physics is more than 34, and chemistry is more than 34, and English is more than 34, and Hindi is more than 34, then print um, result um, passed. Okay, else print uh, result is failed. So here you don't need an if string, so I can remove it. Now let's run together. Run it. So it is asking name. So the name is Julie. Math. Say 45, 45, 45 in each subject. English she scored 20. Okay, and Hindi she did fabulous. But as you can see, the result is failed because we are checking. So for a student to pass, he or she should be scoring more than 35 marks in a subject. And the way we have combined uh, these comparative operators using and. So this is not limited to greater than. We can use less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, whatever the 6 operators we have learned together. All right. Practice more. Keep watching. Thank you.